This is my next project. I'm gonna be doing this vanity. Of course, it's missing a mirror that I have to get later, but I'm gonna start doing this piece. It brings three drawers that I have to paint. I'm gonna be painting them. So I'm gonna go with a lighter color, but first, like you see at the bottom, I had to repair the leg, and I glued a piece of wood and nailed it down. So that's getting dry, but so for the meantime, I'm gonna focus on the vanity slash dresser. I'm gonna slightly sand it because it doesn't need a lot of work, just the one repaired leg that I already put together. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, and then these are the drawers that I have to paint for this little vanity, and those are the other two at the bottom. So I'm gonna start by sanding. I'm prepping it, which is just gonna be like a slight sanding, and paint it. So let me start. I'm gonna be sponging off the top. I'm gonna use this chalkboard black and white off to see what I get. So let's see how that goes. Hello guys, so this is the end of this do-it-yourself vanity. It's a little antique vanity slash dresser. Like I told you earlier, I added a mirror to it because it didn't have a mirror, and I put a little decor flower on top of it, so it's all finished. And again, anything that you put your head to do, especially refreshing your furniture, you can do it. Again, I did it on my own. The top is dark and the bottom is like a light beige, like a light color that goes with it, and the mirror looks great with it. We put a support frame in the back, so it's fine. So this is the end of this project, and I hope you like it, and click the like button, and if you haven't done so, go ahead and do that and subscribe to my channel.